Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest with me today. Hi, Valerie. I'm gonna be helping Lily take care of the chicks. Come here. And they're skittish, Valerie. Very skittish. Oh, I wouldn't do that if I were you. They'll nip you. So today we have our tomatoes. There are two halves of them. And Valerie's going to be asking me questions, and I'm going to be answering them. Please hold this real quick. Okay. First thing we want to do is we're going to see if they're going to come to us. Okay. We're going to try something out. Hold it flat like this. Like this. We'll see. We're going to see if Star wants something. Is this how you hold it? Like that? If it doesn't work, then we're going to set it down like this. In a non-pooping area. So, the next thing that we do, we're going to take this off. Grab it at a point where they didn't poop. And we're going to undo it like this. Guys.
How much food do they get a day?
Oh,
do they get any like vegetables
besides
tomatoes?
Peppers.
Peppers? I didn't know they ate tomatoes either. I thought they just ate bugs and seeds.
Definitely not only bugs and seeds. Okay. Let's see if we got a spoon. One thing you might know, you have to open the lid. Oh, this is where they put them? Okay. Ew.
Put it in there?
Yep.
No, food on my toes.
This is it. Oh, and then we're going to need to give them some bugs.
Okay. So, how much bread do you use?
Maybe about maybe like a handful or spoon. Is that a handful? Can I try? Like this. Feels like little stones.
It does. Do I put it in here?
No, yeah, you put it in there. This is what it looks like. Looks kind of like little stones. Okay, guys, now we're going to give them a few bugs.
I have another question.
Yes?
So how much bugs do you give them?
Well, usually like that much. This is what the bugs look like.
Like it looks like some worms and flies.
That's a cricket. Right here we have a cricket.
And right here we have like worms.
And then here is probably like a part of a grasshopper. Like this is the leg of a grasshopper.
I wonder if it's part of this then.
Nope, it's the leg of a grasshopper. I know because it's green.
Oh yeah.
Now,
Now we put it in there?
Yeah, in there. And we're gonna close this up.
Oh, that one just came running.
They like their food.
How do you know the chickens are a boy or a girl?
Well, a boy or a rooster, that's what boy chickens are referred to. They usually have like a red flap. Well, chickens will usually have pink, and they don't have a flap right here. And a female's tail is like pointy, while a rooster's tail is like curved and round. Come here. I want to feed you. I don't think you're going to want to eat that.
Alright, here, I want to feed you. Okay. No. How do you know it's a meat bird or an egg bird?
Well, a meat bird usually has like white skin or really big breasts, while a egg layer will usually have like black skin or a small breast. Because people don't, well, they won't usually have black skin, but they will have a small breast. But people usually don't eat black skin unless they're like Canadian. I don't know, but some people from different states will eat black.
Well, Valerie's mom says in Colombia they eat black meat chicken.
Mm-hmm.
And we did see a YouTube video where in China they have black chickens for sale.
We haven't tried that, and I don't think they were gonna like vinegar.
What haven't you tried?
Pickles.
Mm.
I'm not sure if they're going to like pickles. But do they eat pickles? No.
So, next thing on our to-do list today is going to be scooping poop, which I'm going to show Valerie how to do so she can learn how to scoop it for the next time she visits. Okay, so empty this out.
Aren't you supposed to look at the scat to make sure if it's healthy or not?
Yes, indeed. So, to check if it's healthy or not, it will usually have some white on it, like this, and it'll be like, have a little bit of green or grainy stuff. A little grainy. It'll look like that. Now, Valerie, you're gonna hold this, and, ow, sorry.
Here, Valerie, I'll hold it for you. Oh, don't go there. Don't go there. It's too close. Lily can't scoop it. Here we go. All right, Lily, go ahead.
Okay, so this is how you're gonna scoop your poop. You're gonna keep it there, and you're gonna scoop your poop from there into here like this. Valerie, you're gonna do the other side that doesn't have as much poop that I just scooped. Do you mind, chickens? We're trying to do a video. I think I can get a chick for you, Mommy. Excuse me, Mommy. Hi. Okay, Valerie. Your dream is about to come true.
You can just put it on the floor. Okay, tell her how to hold the chicken first.
First, you want to hold it like this so that you don't hurt the wings. And hold it by the sides like this. And put your thumbs on the wings. Okay. And hold it tight, but not too tight because you don't want to hurt the chicken. Like this.
And just like you do with your pet bunny, you can bring her to your side. You know how you hold your pet bunny? How would you
How
hold?
I used to?
Yes.
Like this.
How would you hold your pet bunny?
I would go like this. Go like that.
Okay.
And how my mom likes to hold her pet bunny, which I'm going to show you right now. She kind of likes to hold it like this. And then,
Like this?
and you can pet it like this. Like that. See? Feel the comb. It's all bumpy at the top.
Like, yeah, bumpy. And the feathers are...
The feathers are pretty soft. Remember what I said? Oh no, not up there. On the wings.
Like that?
Yes. And if you feel around here, it's very soft around the neck. Up here, it's smoother, so it's more of a hard setting. But this has more feathers right here, so it's softer and cut.
What if a little bump right there?
Oh, that's just her hair. That's just her feathers. And then as you can see, they have black skin, which a lot of people don't like to eat. And definitely we're not going to eat.
You know.
Her mom and my dad, and my dad want to eat it. But my mom, whose idea this was, is agreeing with us and saying, no, we will not eat them because they are black meat and they are our pets.
That's right.
And
they're our pets.
also,
They don't have a big breast.
Well, they lay a lot of eggs, so that's the purpose of them is to lay eggs for us.
and
And to also be pets.
Mm-hmm.
And also, we don't want to kill the babies.
They're also a great project for you to learn how to care for animals.
And also, another thing is a lot of people don't like butchering chickens.
Yeah. In
Wait,
Galveston, there's a school where the kids learn how to take care of chickens and grow food
You should go
as
there.
part of their normal curriculum, like math and reading.
Whee. Oh, if you feel her beak, it's smooth also.
So all these are
And
sisters?
pointy.
Yes.
All these are sisters?
Yeah, they're all sisters.
Do you want me to put you down? I think that was the best.
It took me a long time to catch that chicken. So I'm actually great. That was the first time I was, oh no. I wanted you to feel the legs of the chicken. Maybe I can get one. Okay, I'll just be a minute. So I can grab one. I'll just be a minute.
Are they able to jump to the floor here and like escape? Or do they have to jump on other things?
It's raining.
Close the window.
Perfect.
It's okay, chicks.
All right. So, okay, Lily, you want to show her the legs of?
So does this mean I can stay long? We can stay longer in here?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! We'll just have to be careful too.
Just hold it carefully. And then the legs, as you can see,
Ooh,
the legs
so
are
like
kind of furry.
Rough and bumpy at the same time.
But at the top of the legs, you can see that it's all feathery. See there?
On the bottom, like where they step,
And at the
feels weird. Feels weird.
And
like
feel them
sandpaper.
at the top of their legs where it's all feathery. We're going to touch that, and I want you to explain how it feels at the top of their legs where it's feathery.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Feels
What does it feel like?
it's like soft. I can feel like a
And another thing I want to tell you all, Rain, who's my chicken, is also the leader of the group. She chose to be the leader, and she's very big. She's the biggest, and she is not afraid to nip somebody. So, it's really sharp. Feel here. This chick has the softest back right here. It's very soft, and it's not near the neck. Not very near the neck, which means that she's our smallest and our softest chicken, and her name is Star.
Star. What is the leader?
She's also my chick,
What is the leader's name?
Rain. And then my mom's chick, who is the medium-sized one,
This one?
is named. My mom named her Luna.
Luna. It's this one, right?
Oh, yeah, the one that I was holding before this one. Before that one. That one's Rain, and that one right there is Luna, the one I was holding first.
Let me feel. I want to feel your nails. Let me feel your nails.
Good chick. Whoa, Hillary was right. Feels kind of like a real foot down here.
Is it hard work caring for a chicken?
Well, it is hard work, but once you get used to it, it isn't as hard as it is. Because you're like, oh, I want to go feed the chicks. I want to go feed the chicks. And then it gets harder, and then you get kind of used to it, and then you get used to it completely. Me, I'm in the kind of getting used to it stage.
How are the chicks right now?
There are 6 weeks.
And how do you know if they're 6 weeks or not?
Well, you can kind of tell by the size of them. And another thing is my mom, she uses her phone and she can tell by what stage they're at.
I just keep track of the date.
Yeah, she keeps track of the date.
Where do they sleep?
Oh, they sleep up here.
What? That's weird. Up here or like right here and
Up here.
there? There. How do they get up there? Do they climb these?
Yes, they do that.
So they can jump here to here? Or did they have to jump here to the floor to
No,
here
to here. From here to here to here to here. Like that. My mom is baby. Wanna hold her? Wanna hold her?
No, thank you.
Okay. She's very neat. She's very nice, and she isn't as sweet.
Ah.
Okay,
She's
here.
right here right now.
I know, but she's not like. She's like.
Let's see if I can catch one.
If you want to hear my advice, take the little black one. Valerie, what would be your opinion on keeping chickens?
I would like it.
Okay, and now, why would you like it? Okay, answer the first question.
Okay. I would like it because I would like watching over them.
And another question, is, would you want help from your mom? Because I would definitely want help from my mom. It would be too tiring for me to do solo on my own. I'm sweating.
I think I would want my mom.
Yeah, I agree with you. Part of it.
Why would you want to cut
You'd
it
only
out?
want to cut the flight feathers so that they can't fly away. Only the flight feathers. If you cut any more, then you could hurt them.
So how do you know it's the flight feathers or not?
Well,
Is it like the biggest ones?
here, let me show. Usually the long ones are the flight feathers right here.
Oh, so.
See, let me hold its wing. See this? These would be some of the flight feathers right here. Right here.
So they
And then you don't want to
fly.
cut these little feathers. Those are the ones that have to stay on the chicken.
So do you have to grab it?
No,
grab the
what
one
you're
that
gonna
you
do,
know and then cut
what
it?
you want to do is you're gonna hold its wing out like this, and then you're gonna cut the flight feathers. If you pet it, then you can probably lure him out and gently hold him. Now remember, you don't want to hurt the chicken. My baby. Down. Yes, that one. Hold it by both sides.
You got it. You got it. 2 hands. Get your other hand in there.
Valerie, get the other hand.
You got it. You got it. You got it. You did it.
And so hold it firmly, but not too firm.
I like it.
I'll just do one thing. I just want one thing.
No, your other leg. But your other leg. What is wrong with you? Your other leg. Alright, I'm here.
Easy, easy, girl. Easy.
Can I put it down here?
Good girl.
I'll hold her.
So, Valerie, do you like the black chickens or do you like the silvery chickens like Rain?
Both.
I have to agree with you. I think they are all quite stunning and beautiful. I mean, just look at them. They're so cute.
They're not cute when they nip.
Well, actually, I think it's kind of cute when they nip me, and I like the feeling.
I like the feel.
Oh, you go. Gently let her go. Oh, I want to do it. Please. Please let me do it. Please, please, please. It was a very good job, Valerie. Congratulations. I
Wow.
think you would be able
I
to
believe you
keep
can fly.
to take good care of a chicken. Like a box.
They come in a box.
But you'll see what I mean. You have to ask the question.
So, how do you get the chickens? Like, where do they come in?
Well, they come in a box, but it's not like a box without. It's not like a box like glonk 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 glonk. It's like it's not a folding box. It's like a special box that has holes in it depending on how hot the weather is. If it's cold, they'll only poke in a few holes. If it's very hot, then they'll poke out a lot of holes. And
So how many chickens came in the box?
we had 10 chickens.
What happened to all the other ones?
We had to give 7 away. 7 away, because if we keep all 10 chickens, then they'll be like squawk, 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 and we'll hear complaints from the neighbors.
But also, the size of the house is perfect for 3 chickens.
hmm If there were 10 chickens in here, all of them this size, they'd be like squawk, squawk, all crowded together at the food box. Perching is like this. When a chicken will hook onto you, and then they're gonna hold on.
Lily, what age do they start laying eggs?
About 5 to 7 months.
And where do they lay their eggs?
They'll usually lay it in like a bin type thing. Like if there's a cubicle, then they'll go into the cubicle and then lay their egg there. And if there's like a basket, then they'll probably go into the basket.
Daddy says
and
he's gonna make the laying box.
My dad is gonna make a laying box for our chickens, because why waste money when you have the materials to make it? So that's like, oh, I'm gonna spend this money when I have all this wood here to make it myself.
Yep. He says a sheet of plywood costs $8, and so he could make like 2 or 3 boxes out of that. But in the store, 1 box cost $20.
Whoa.